Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload audio to Google Drive. All right, let's begin. First, open Google and make sure you are logged in to your account. Click the Google Apps icon at the top right corner and select Google Drive. You can also search for Google Drive directly if you do not see it. Once Drive opens, confirm you are signed in by checking your email at the top right. Next, click the New button on the left side. You can either upload a single audio file or create a folder to organize multiple audio files. To keep things organized, select New Folder, name it Audio, and click Create. Open the folder once it appears in your drive. Now click New again and choose File Upload. Browse your device, select your audio file, and click Open. You can select multiple audio files if needed. The upload progress will appear at the bottom right corner. Once completed, your audio file will be saved to Google Drive and accessible anytime. So that's basically how you can upload audio to Google Drive. That's it for this video. Thanks.